In this video, we're going to do a comparison in terms of crypto trading with Prometheum Prodigy, the Prodigy Flip, the new TrustWallet, I would say just the TrustWallet, Metamask wallet, and as well as the Coinbase wallet. We're going to do a comparison just to see which one will be the best one, to be honest with you. Because I looked at this, and the Coinbase is rated in terms of application the best for beginners. It's very popular and it's very used. And I would say Metamask is probably right there as well in terms of what people use. But we're going to talk about Prometheum Prodigy, the Prodigy Flip, and see what the comparison is. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Let's break this down. Now, one thing about the Prodigy Flip that really stands out, in my opinion, is the security. Now, it's also overcoming the limitations of the Ethereum network by offering secure, scalable, and efficient layer 2 solution. Now, it's addressing the common issues associated with the high transaction fees with the Ethereum. I do know I'm definitely dealing with that as well as network congestion, making it more practical and cost-effective platform for cryptocurrency trading. Now, also doing this, it represents a significant leap forward in the crypto trading landscape by offering many things, including maximizing potential profits. Yes, that's the Prodigy Flip, and much, much more because of this right here. AI analytic tools, the state-of-the-art tools enabling traders to make informed decisions. So that's a big difference. Now, if I continue going down the road here, if I look at the TrustWallet, let's do some comparison with the TrustWallet. Now, the pro of the TrustWallet is saying it's user-friendly interface. A lot of people like the TrustWallet. They kind of do. A lot of people like that. Support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, strong support in terms of the community, ability to connect for Binance, for easy buying and selling assets. So that's some of the positive. It also offers staking opportunity, dApp browsing, and a built-in exchange for convenient assets for swapping. But the downside of this, guys, is this right here. Security. TrustWallet uses open source software. It doesn't offer two-factor authentication or multi-signature support. Prometheum Prodigy does offer that right now, or when the Prodigy Flip gets announced, gets finished. It definitely offered the security where the TrustWallet does not. The other area that's lack is also the tools. It has some educational content along with features to help you review the performance of your crypto portfolio. Listen, check this out. Prometheum Prodigy already does that. State-of-the-art AI analytic tools enabling traders to make informed decisions. So you see the difference between the both already in terms of security and giving you the right education that you need. Let's move forward. Metamask. Now, Metamask is being used a lot. Metamask all the time. Metamask. But here's the thing about the security of Metamask. Security. Software is open source. That's lacking in the Metamask area. It does. The wallet does not use two-factor authentication or multi-signature access. Look at that. That's true. Now, some of the pros is it's easy to use, ability to connect to decentralized applications, access to the Ethereum blockchain, wide ranges of cryptocurrencies, including ERC20. But you know what? It does not offer Bitcoin on this application. Absolutely. Let's move over to the Coinbase wallet. Now, the Coinbase wallet, some of the pros, including its user-friendly interface, wide cryptocurrency support, and direct exchange integration, including advanced securities and easy to use for beginner and advanced users. The cons on this, and there's cons on the Coinbase wallet. Yes, it's this right here. Once again, security. Coinbase wallet does not use two-factor authentication or multi-signature support. The software is not fully open source. That's what it says. It says potential security risk is not managed properly. If it's not managed properly, there can be some concerns here. Although it has been rated the best cryptocurrency application for beginners. In short, guys, the Prometheum Prodigy Flip is exactly what we need here. It's going to make things easier for the beginning user and an advanced user because of all the products and the security use. Exactly simple. User-centric design representing a significant leap forward to the crypto trading landscape. Prodigy Flip mobile apps wins hands down when you compare it to TrustWallet, Metamask, and the Coinbase wallet. Now, do your research, check out Coinbase wallet or check out Metamask and check them all out. But check out Prodigy Flip mobile app right now. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. I'll see you in the next video.